Parents, teachers, and school district staff turned out in force last night as the Borough Assembly considered a resolution to change the way that school money rolls over from one year to the next. The lapse of unspent district funds from one year to the next had previously been calculated using a different formula than the one used by the borough. Additionally, 28.5% of funds that lapse move into a maintenance fund outside the pool of funds that can be spent on operating costs. A measure by Assembly Presiding Officer Diane Hutchinson would have changed the district's formula to match the borough's and also put a cap on the amount the district would have to lapse. Proponents of Hutchinson's measure packed the borough gallery. After a series of political maneuvers, however, the Assembly passed a different measure, which left the lapse calculation the same, but instituted a cap on how much the district lapsed each year. Superintendent Pete Lewis says the district would rather have had Hutchinson's measure than the other one that passed, but they'll keep fighting for the change.
The substitute ordinance obviously puts a cap on it, which limits our liability at $800,000 in terms of that lapse. But yeah, and that's better than what it was, but it's still not where we would like it to be. You know, the important thing is that as a school district, we continue our focus, which is to make sure that we're fighting for operating dollars for kids in the classroom, and we want to make sure that we do everything that we possibly can do to make sure that that happens.